Hi folks, I'm Mark with Artisan Restoration, and we got a lot going on today here at the farmhouse shop. Well, we got our Biffy serviced, which is a nice priority here in the morning. Anyway, we got a little fire going here, getting rid of some of our scraps and cut off material from the floor framing. And then we also are pressure washing the stone foundation. That's going to be inside the crawl space. Good thing we remember to do that. It would be pretty near impossible once the floor is on. And then over here we got masonry crew that's taking off the upper bricks on the kitchen addition. Going to take down the bricks right down to the floor level up there, and then we're going to pull out the floor. And they're going to continue to take down this entire wall right down to floor level, and actually below it. We're going to cut an opening in the old foundation wall here where we've got that underpinning down there. So that's where we're going to have a doorway into the basement, so the old basement and the new ones are connected. Right, buddy? Right? Come on, talk to me. I guess not. Over here, we got the subfloor going on, our framing, and that's actually a moisture-proof plywood. Moisture-resistant, I think, is actually what they call it. So it should be able to hold up to a little bit of weather before we get the roof on. And I'm not exactly sure when the heck that's going to be. But let's go inside here first. This floor is coming out, and a new floor is going to be installed because the floor joists are actually rotted on the outside. This floor is going to remain. All we're going to do here is put a beam down the middle of the basement and jack it up, take the sag out of it a little bit, and then that will also enable us to close off the old stairway by running floor joists over to that center beam. Up here we're going to have to close this opening off, and I presume we're going to be running full length members in there because there's no bearing walls in the area. Here we've done some prep work so we can take down the roof and not have the gable end walls fall over. The brick gables are going to be preserved, maintained. So we've got plans for bracing both of those members, but we took out this side here so we can build the walls up here, get a little floor space. So this is actually going to have 2x4 stud walls around the entire area, and the new roof was going to sit on the stud walls, not the brickwork. We braced this wall here the other day to keep it from falling over, because they actually embedded a 2x4 in the wall. You can see it right there. They embedded that in the wall for interior purposes, but it weakens the wall so bad that we didn't want to have it fall over. on our new floor finish. So anyhow. You guys are gonna be on my YouTube channel.
Ooh. Oh yeah? I like that.
Yeah, this wall is actually separating here because the way they laid it up, the bond bricks are actually down here, kind of in this course here, where they run the bricks back and forth to tie the wall together. I don't know why they didn't do that on the top, but that's okay. We're going to be removing it anyway. So that's what's going on here. A lot of activity today, because it's actually supposed to rain here soon. So hopefully we get a lot accomplished by then. Thanks for watching, folks. See you next week.